Thermal scanning for Beldane's ground squirrels. Let's get that little pig right there. Looks too damn happy. I think that was a hit. That was a hit. Another hit. Hit. See the dust flying there? The doctor. They're curious. And I am happy about that. The doctor just putting these things down. Oh, here's another dirty one right there. Ugh, bastard. Out of all the color palettes available, still my favorite is white hot. DOA by the doctor right there, my brothers. There's a hot white back right there. Go for a little hotter white right there. Think that. Thought he was hiding. Therming his ass. Look at that dance. Thermal white hot dance. Got about an 8-mile-an-hour wind from the west. I've got the ballistic calculator turned on. There you go. That's it. Doctor needed to give that one a pill. DOA, brother, by the doctor. Doing the happy dance out there. Happy, happy, happy. Another happy dance. Parallax is set at 50 on these scopes. This is probably 60. It's just another way to help judge distance when you don't have the ability to range, especially at a shallow